Hello everyone, welcome to the Adroit Things. Okay, so you want to send a mail through your command prompt. Well, this is purely for educational purposes. There's no real life advantage to it. Moreover, this is very less secure, in fact. So if you're just curious and want to know how to send a mail through your command prompt, just follow along through this video. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is install your telnet client. You can do that by going to this turn windows features on or off, and if you do that you get this pop-up here, and you can find this telnet client over here. As you can see, I've already have it enabled. So you just have to enable and click OK, and it downloads it for you basically. So okay, that's first step. After you're done with that, the next thing you have to go through is basically you need to be able to send email through another client. So to do that, you need to configure your personal email to enable to do that. For your personal email to enable, you need to basically enable your personal email to be able to send messages from another client. So you can go, I'll post a link for this website in the video description. So basically what this says is go to settings and navigate to this forwarding and POP or IMAP tab, and you have to enable IMAP and save changes. And there's another thing you have to do to enable Telnet to send mails using your email address. That is, you need to turn on access to less secure apps. And like I said, there is no real advantage to this. This is purely for educational purposes. I recommend you try this and then turn off access to less secure apps again. So I'll turn it on. Okay, so now we're ready to send the email using our Telnet client. Okay, let's start by establishing a connection to Google's SMTP server. We do it like this: smtp.gmail.com, and we're going to be using the port number 587. And yeah, so the connection has been established. Now we can send and receive messages from the Google's SMTP server. So let's try that. Let's type in hello Google. Now we've uh, basically said we basically told the Google's server that we want to communicate with it, we want to send it a mail. And first thing we have to do is we need to specify that we are going to be using a TLS protocol, and we have to basically log in. So we need to type in start TLS auth login. So don't worry about this error here, just continue, type in auth login. And now this, if you get this 334 and some garbage message here, so that means it you have to enter your email ID now. So one thing you need to keep in mind is it takes only the string values encoded in base 64 format. So you can't just type in your email like this. So if I type in tummythings911 at gmail.com, it can't it basically can't uh, decode that. so it needs to be encoded in base 64 format. And another thing to keep in mind is backspace doesn't work in the telnet client. That's one very annoying thing about it. So yeah, so whatever you type, you have to make sure that you get it right when you type it. So type in auth login. So you can use any online converter to convert your email ID to base 64 format and copy. And if you right click, you get the encoded format. So basically you have to paste the encoded format here and press enter, and now you have to give your password to it. So this is a temporary mail, I'm going to be deleting it, so even if you can decode this password, doesn't matter. So once this has accepted our password, now we can move forward. So first thing we have to specify is where so first thing we have to specify is the uh, the from address of the email. So the command to do that is mail from, and you have to open these angular braces and specify your email ID here, tummythings911 @ gmail.com. Close it and then press enter. If you get the message okay, then that means everything is fine, and you need to give your recipient address. So yeah, as you can see, I made a mistake here. It should be RCPT, not RCT. And if you press backspace, nothing happens. It's one really annoying thing. So it's RCPT2 colon and angular braces. Why not? I'll send a mail to myself. Dummy things 911 at gmail.com. Okay, so once that is done, you type data. So once you type the data command, you can start typing in your message. Hello, dummy. So yeah, as you can see, backspace doesn't work. This is a sample message. This sample message. Please don't reply to this and secure your account. Okay, and so once you want to stop typing, you just have to give it a period and then press enter. Now the message is sent. To quit the client, to quit the telnet client, just type in quit. So this basically tells that we're done sending the email, and you can safely close the connection established to the Gmail server. Okay, so yeah, as you can see here, I got a mail from myself. Yeah, so this is a very interesting thing I thought I would share with you. So yeah, if you liked it, be sure to like uh, this video. Yeah, see you next time. Bye.